Okay, I just got a signal here in this old creek bed on the side of it. And I know you can't hear it because I've got headphones on. You see if you can hear this. Whoop, move the camera, but anyway, the signal's there. Alright, we'll dig it up and see what we got. Have a listen. Okay, it's out already. It's probably a piece of wire junk because it's out so quick. Alright, we got it, first scoop, that's cool. Check the clumps. Still in there. Oh, it's out, it's in my hand. Can't see anything. Oh, it's in there. Ah, it's in my hand. Isn't this annoying? Can't see anything. It's got to be a piece of crap. Oh, it's not a piece of crap, it's a piece of gold. Ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of spit on it so it shines up for you. Oops, and I dropped it. That's not a good thing. Where's my camera? Jeez, if I drop it one more time. But that's my gold. Here, let me pick my camera up. There we go. Ta-da! Oh, we'll weigh her up later.